What's happening guys, PGs here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a new category in your settings that I show you in your left picture of your phone. So here are some required. We need APK tool, setting APK, and knowledge of coding, and Notepad++ for editing XML files. So let's start. The process is very simple. As in last video you learn how to add an app, and that which is similar to this one. So we have to again open your decompile settings and go to the XML folder of your settings. In XML you have to find the dashboard categories. In dashboard categories, open it with Notepad++ and decide where you want to add a new category. In my case, I want my category above my personal section, so I'm going to add a new category above the personal section. So the code is the same. We have to add a new dashboard category with Android ID personal section, or you can use a wireless section or device section. ID doesn't matter. Now we have to add a title. So we have to add a title whatever you want with the string. So I'm going to use my string my title. So I have to define my title on the strings of the settings. So we have to do the same. So here we created a category. Now we have to create a tiles. So here are some tiles. So I'm doing just for a run. So I'm going to make a 5 tiles for a category. So let's select a name. So I'm going to use my title string with my apps. Now I'm going to copy this and paste. So how many tiles I want. You can add various things to your dashboard tile as you already learned how to add apps. So you can add apps to this tiles by using intent code and Android action and Android target class of that APK. You will find on the APK manifest of that APK. So here's my some tiles. Now I have to close that category. So now just remove the space between. Now we have to save it. After saving, you have to open the values and strings. In strings you have to define all the titles that you already defined on the dashboard categories. So here I have to use my string name for my title. My title should be extra. So this is my category name. In extra there are some tiles, so I have to give them also name. We have to close the string. Now just copy the string and paste how many string I want. Just I'm copying this. Now I'm going to paste. Now I have to change my title to my apps that are now the part of tiles. So I already make 5 tiles, so I'm going to use my apps till 5 that I already defined on the dashboard categories that we previously done. Now I have to give my apps a name that is showing on my settings screen. So let's take it as app 1, so on to app 5. So I have to do with all the strings. I missed my title tile, so I already had in my copy. Now I have to paste it. So here's all done. Just save it all. Now go to your folder. Now you have to open your command window and use the code to recompile your settings. So here's the code. Now we wait for recompiling. You may get errors, but you have to check your errors on your own. So in my case, I think I don't have any error, and let's see. Yes, I don't have any error. So it's my building my APK file. Now I have to sign my APK file. Now push to your settings, to your system. So here's the result. You can see. Here's my settings. You see, and this is the above personal. There is my extra section with some apps. So this is a very simple way to do that.